Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to be giving you a little bit of a showcase of some of the past works that I've done. But I figured before I jump into that, I should start off with a little showcase of the work within my Discord server. So I can start off with the intro channels. These have the banners in them, which preface any of the text. And these banners you'd upload like any other image. A couple more examples here, and of course all of that there. Now if we come over to Akiara commands, we can see that there are a lot more visual aspects involved with this bot. Now the bot is called Akiara, completely private Tsutsuke. I make 99% of all of the GUI involved with it. So these banks, these daily claims, this leaderboard, this EXP section, 1% of it, or I guess a bit more than that, but is contracted out to Lana, who, for example, makes this Nike symbol. She redesigned that for us. She redrew Akiara. And there's a couple more things here, of course. For example, the chest up there, and a bit further up, we see a check marks here, and then you get the gist of it. And there's also profile cards. So if we do /profile, we can see the profile cards, which are of course customizable with a blank backdrop, and give people the options to customize that. And we can do shop background to see a different background options, and this is all part of that same UI. So I guess without any further delay, I'm going to get into the rest of the video. And I do want to mention there's going to be no video, no talking, just a montage with music, and I hope you enjoy.